So here's what we're using. I wanted to make sure that I had an ND filter, and then this is the adjustable ones. I'm using a 2470 lens, the Canon R6. My dad bought this for me. That is it. We got this, and we got the good sun, and that's all. Let me actually show you the sun where we're at. That's the low winter sun. It's fashion. If someone shoots in a studio during the months of November, December, all the way to end of March, they're not a real photographer. That's what you want to use. Every single light in the world is based off of the sun. Like every single light, every modifier, every studio light, and that's what we got. And I didn't need a big studio. I found Andrew on social media. He's a really talented folk singer, but I contacted him because he was using his platform to stand up for others. As an artist, I'll always use my skills to help people who stand up for humanity. 1, 2. Turn. So more like this. 1, 2. Okay. 1, 2. I didn't say turn. Go. You're like this right now, which is fine. You're gonna just try to come in and just be a little more slouched, just a bit. But first, let's talk about the mood board. Every job that I've ever received in my career, I've done it without an agent, and I've done it without a manager. But I can swing budgets as if I did have an agent. And that's because I know how to properly mood board. A good mood board will get you jobs. A good mood board will increase your rate. A good mood board will keep your team in line. And a good mood board will keep you, the photographer, on track from pre-production to production and then post-production. And a good mood board, if done correctly, it's persuasive. It's not just pretty. Pretty isn't enough. You have to have a persuasive mood board. This is a simple 2-page board for a simple test shoot. Some of my mood boards though, they can be 12 pages. I've even had a mood board that has been 17 pages. Anything it takes to make sure the client feels comfortable and that they know I'm the perfect one for the job. That's exactly what I want from you. Have a persuasive mood board and start booking clients. One, 2, go. Next, again, down. One thing I do as a photographer is I move around. Look. I don't really ask the model to move that much.
Hold on
I
a
move.
sec.
Because I can change myself much faster than I can change them.
I mean, if you fall through that, that's on you. Can you look straight forward?
Like I said,
What
I
I'm
give
gonna
him my
do,
full personality. And if you know me, that's my humor.
Climb up.
People
and
hire
then
me,
once you
not
go
just
up
because
there,
of
you're
my
just
work,
gonna
that's the
lean
baseline,
in a
but
little
they
bit,
hire me
okay?
because that's how I am on
A
set.
little bit. Oh,
And
like
if I'm
the
not the
window
right
cutting your head
personality for
off?
them, then they don't
So
factor
let's
me
come
in.
in this way.
And that's why I want you to be 100% yourself. Because when you do that, nobody else
there,
can
make it
compete
look cool,
against you.
though.
They'll just be a reductive version
Turn your
of
back.
you.
Yeah, you're not gonna fall. If you fall, it's a no. I'm sorry. Turn back around the other way. It's an ankle break at worst. Keep that in mind. With your eyes only. If you touch
Pay
your
attention
glasses
to how the
again.
mood board matches the vibe of this shoot.
Yeah, for
We
a
stayed
sec,
right
I
on
like
track.
The shine on the face. Good. Hold that right there. Open. Closed. Go.
And don't be afraid. You're the
More
director.
sprint,
You're
more
the lead
hustle.
on set. If you need to ask them to
Go,
do it
go.
10 times, 35
Again.
times,
Next.
let them
again,
trust the
and
process,
Go.
your
Back,
process.
back. I want more.
Be exact about
Go,
it. Tell
go.
them exactly what you
Go.
want.
Go.
That's what's
Again,
going to make you
hate me
stand
by
out
the
in
end
an
of this.
AI
Go.
world.
Now look right past
Own
me
it.
again.
This is
Go.
your
So
shoot.
you're swinging
Everybody
your
follows
arm
your lead.
a bit
That's
too
what I
much.
do
Okay,
on my
there,
photo
stay there.
shoots.
More.
What's so bright?
Close your eyes. That's okay. Go. Good. So like this is so much better. Look right up here past me.
And then give them the
go.
feedback they deserve and keep moving.
Look my way, please. Beautiful. Hold on.
I am Andrew Brozick. I'm an artist from Whitefish, Montana. We are taking lots of photos in the pretty LA sunshine, playing with shadows, trying to see if we can get some nice lighting between the light and the dark. In other photo shoots I've taken, they have been a lot more traditionally oriented into the kinds of things that you might see with more folk-oriented artists. More instrument related, more of Andrew Brozek, the guy who operates instruments, and less of Andrew Brozek, the artist. So this has really felt more like an artist-oriented shoot with a focus on creativity, a focus on expression, rather than a focus of me and just my work.
If I'm not loving it, I'm gonna call it, okay? Hold on.
Whenever I have some free time, I always take the client and do something extra. Always. And we had some free time. So I took him to a different part of the neighborhood. We saw the sunset and I decided to expand beyond the mood board. The mood board you just saw. I thought, okay, if he's a folk artist, who's the exact opposite? And I thought more of a DJ, like an EDM DJ. So I gave him a photo shoot that I would give a DJ. This is my recipe. This is how you make sure you're true to them, to yourself, but also you push the boundaries. I took DJ Jonas Blue here. And you get to see how he evolves as a folk artist.
We're probably gonna be ready to shoot in about 2 minutes max. Let me just go and do my settings here.
Most folk artists, they'll be asked to walk down a train track, have a banjo on their back, and I wanted something different for Andrew.
Ready and go.
If you want to know how to make mood boards the right way, the persuasive mood boards, my course Step Mood Boards will absolutely change your career. Because I'm showing you everything, A to Z. The way I make mood boards, the way I've done it for Warner Brothers, the way I've done it for big celebrities, Vanity Fair, everyone. Step Mood Boards is an online course that will absolutely change your career and it's linked below.